We're on to question 4.2. Let's have a look. Determine the equation of, and then 4.2.1, the circle in the form of x minus a, and that's squared, plus y minus b, and then that's bracketed and squared, equal to r squared. From this, we know that that is actually the formula of a circle. And basically, all we need to do is populate the variables. We look at a and b. That would be the values of x and y in the middle. Therefore, a will equal 3 and b will equal minus 5. So the only outstanding variable which we're looking for is r. We don't know what r is. And to find r is not difficult. We just have to find the length of mn. And how do we do that? So mn is equal to the square root of xn minus xm squared plus yn minus ym squared. Let's fill in what we have. What's x of n? X of n is 7 minus x of m is 3, that squared, plus y of n, that is minus 2, minus y of m, that is minus 5, and that squared. That'll come to 4 squared plus 3 squared, and that'll equal 25. Therefore, mn is equal to 5, which is equal to r. So we know that r is now equal to 5. What we now need to do is take the circle formula, minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared. Let's populate the variables, x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5, so it'll become plus 5 squared equal to, and you can do it as 5 squared, or you could do it as 25. Actually, I think I would prefer 25. Y plus 5 squared equal to 25. And that's the answer. We're on to question 4.2.2. Determine the equation of KL in the form of y equals mx plus c. So y equals mx plus c is nothing other than the straight line formula. So what do we need? We need two components. One, we need to figure out what m is. And what is m? M is the gradient of the straight line. And two, we need to figure out what c is. We start off with let's figuring out what the gradient of mn is. So the gradient of mn is equal to yn minus ym. And that's over xn minus xm. And then we have minus 2 minus 5. And that will be over 7 minus 3. Punch it into your calculator, you'll get 3 over 4. But now that's the gradient of mn. So in other words, if we want the gradient of KL, we must remember that m1 is the gradient of KL and m2 is the gradient of mn. And that will equal minus 1. Therefore, the gradient of mkl is equal to minus 4 over 3. So basically, it's the inverse of that. So the next thing we need to figure out is what's the value of c. So let's just start off what we're given, mx plus c. What have we worked out? That the gradient is minus 3 over 4x plus c. What we're also given is the x value. So the x value at n, we can take that, and the y value is minus 2 equal to minus 3 over 4. And the x value is 7 plus c. And now we can go c minus, so if you work out that equation there, is 28 over 3 equal to minus 2. C will equal minus 2 plus 28 over 3. Therefore, c is equal to 22 over 3. So what we can do over here is we can go 22 over 3. But what it says is they want us to give the equation. So therefore, the answer is y equals, what is m? Minus 4 over 3. X, what is c? Plus 22 over 3. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please drop your question in the questions below. We'll read and respond as soon as possible. If you need more help with math, please click the link below. That goes to my channel and go view what we have available there.